Hello everybody, it's Jono here from Promove Bangkok, and today I'm excited to show you this 3-bedroom detached house in Ari. It's large, it's spacious, look at the garden space. I'm excited to go show you the inside. This large house, fit for a family or sharers, comes unfurnished so you can truly make it your own. As we head through into the entrance, we open up into a large, spacious living dining area. As you notice, on the right hand side is more the living space. We can have a large L-shaped sofa, TV cabinet with TV, and open up doors which obviously allow in plenty of natural light and access to the patio. On the left hand side you have the dining area, which once again is large and spacious, so you really can customize it to your own liking, with an additional door which obviously leads through to the staircase. We then lead into the hallway and into a bright, fully equipped large kitchen. It really is ideal for home cooks, with plenty of surface space. There's a 4-headed hot plate, large fridge freezer, an oven, and a large pantry to the back as well. We then head back into the main area of the house. Look at how bright it is once again, with a beautiful breakfast bar, and just check out that old hardwood original flooring. It's divine. Downstairs we have a very nice renovated bathroom with a shower, wash basin and toilet. We make our way up the staircase and onto the banister, and we start off with the 3rd bedroom. It's a large single room with plenty of storage actually, with head-to-toe wardrobe space, a mirror and a makeup station. It also has a large access to a balcony which connects also to the 2nd bedroom. I mean, look at the space, look at the brightness that shines in, and a view of the garden. Back into the hallway and into the 2nd bedroom. It's a larger, more spacious room with its very own walk-in wardrobe. So ideal if you've got any suitcases or plenty of clothes that need to be hidden away. The room itself is a decent enough size. I mean, obviously it's got a single bed in there at the moment, but it could hold a double, and of course balcony, access to that balcony outside. Now we access the master bedroom. It's the largest of them all. It's got this grand little entrance with, I guess that's like a chest of drawers. On the right hand side you can see the bathroom and more storage. And then of course the main area with the bed. It's a king size bed with windows to the front, allowing in lots of natural light. And a great view of the front of the house. Check out that garden. As you can see, there's plenty of space for parking. To the back end, obviously you've got a large head-to-toe wardrobe, so plenty of storage space, and an ensuite which is naturally done, very tasteful, with a stand-up shower, toilet and wash basin. We now take to the outside of the house, where this property really does come of its own. There's an annex to the back which holds 3 rooms, one which can be used as an office, a storage, or however you wish with the 3rd. There's ideal maximum space that can be compromised. With the front we're going to take a loop of the house with a beautiful patio, fresh plants which really do bring the garden to life and give it a nice relaxing homely feel. This property is ideal for any young families, however big, who are looking for additional space in the outskirts of Ari, down a quiet soy, so you're not getting any road noise. It's extremely serenic out here. There's additional space, obviously, like I said, for working from home. There's a nice sized garden and 3 large double bedrooms with a massive downstairs living dining room area. There's plenty of parking, and it's probably about a 5 to 10 minute walk from Ari or Ari BTS. The property is on the market now, so feel free to give us a call if it shows of any interest. If this unit or any other units take to your eye, feel free to contact us at 0907 276508 or www.promovebangkok.com. Have a great day.